Mari kita buka. Aku buka mataku, melihat karyamu, ku terkagum. Aku lihat hidupku dan karya tanganmu, ku tersanjung. Semua yang baik dalam hidupku, itulah karyamu. Beri kesempatan yang baru dan ku ingin mengenalmu, Tuhan, lebih dalam dari semua yang ku kenal. Tiada kasih yang melebihimu, ku ada untuk menjadi penyembahmu. So, I bought this foldable bike so we can bring it inside the car, and then I can ride a bike to another school. Aww. So we'll see if I can put this together. It's pretty heavy. Yeah. My dream. The bike is light. And it's pretty big. I imagine it's like a small tiny bike that I can carry. But it's not. Miana is excited. She said that she's gonna use the bike. That's the reason I'm excited to buy it, because Miana can use it too. So we'll see where we can start. Dan ku ingin mengenalmu, Tuhan, lebih dalam dari semua yang ku kenal. Ta-da! Oh. Ta-da! Oh, this is pretty big. Whoa. Very big. Okay. Habis sudah masuk, kita kencengin, lalu lipat. Hopefully it works well. Hopefully it's really good. So loosen this. Take out this one. Let's put the head and tie them up. This one. Tie them up in here with the wrench that they provide. Make sure very tight all the way. And the other side too. They have a very good Amazon video. It's tight. So I can put it back. As needed. Let me see how tall I like. I hope it's locked and won't move. Hey, I did it to put the folding bike together. Got help from the Amazon video. I'm on purpose not taking off any of these yet. Make sure that it is working perfectly well. So let's give it a try. Well, I like the high steering. So we already built the 20 inches folding bike, mountain bike. We'll see. Let's give it a try. So let's put the chain up. Oh, it reminds me when I was back in Indonesia, or even when I'm in Kameri house riding a bike. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Let's see, with the higher seating, it will be more comfortable for me. Yeah, it's way better. So my feet not folded too short. There you go. The first folding bike I bought.